A very good evening to class 12 boys. Today we will discuss about the question 94 from T.S. Grewal. Okay, the question is like that. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3:5. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet is given the balance sheet here. Sorry. It's question 94 from T.S. Grewal. Now the amount of creditors is given here 64,000. The bill payable amount is 22,000. General reserve is given the question 14,000. I hope you all get the questions. These are making the balance sheet. In case you don't have the book, please note down the question. Okay, there are certain adjustments are also there. The creditors 64,000, bill payable 22, general reserve 14,000 there. Okay, you know general reserves here, it will be distributed between partners capital account. ये पार्टनर्स के लिए फायदा है, उनकी कैपिटल बढ़ेगी, the capital will increases. Similarly, the goodwill is given the old balance sheet. We need to write off the goodwill of rupees 20,000 is given the old balance sheet. So we have cash 18,000, bill is here 14,000, stock 44,000, debtors 42,000, machinery 94,000, goodwill 20,000. Okay, there are certain adjustments are there. So please don't have the adjustment with me. There are certain adjustments are there. Okay, the adjustment number 1 is D, admit into the partnership. D, admit into the partnership. Okay, on the following terms and condition. The first one is machinery. Machinery is to be depreciated by 15%. Is to be depreciated by 15%. B part is stock is to be revalued at rupees 48,000. Stock to be revalued at rupees 48,000. It means the stock new value is 48,000. अब stock की value कितनी हो गई है? 48,000. So earlier the stock value is 44. Now the stock is increased by 4,000 rupees. Now C part is it is found that the creditors included a sum of rupees. Creditors included a sum of rupees 12,000. Creditors में 12,000 रुपए जो include है, which was not to be paid. वो हमें अब pay नहीं करने. Which was not to be paid. The benefit was not to be paid. ये हमारे लिए फायदा है क्योंकि अब हमें pay नहीं करना है. D part is outstanding rent रुपीस 1900 ये हमें पे करना है बिकॉज ये बुक्स में नहीं है. दिस इज न्यू लायबिलिटी क्रिएटेड. आपको आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट पे करना है विच इज 1900. नेक्स्ट इज ई पार्ट. डी इज टू ब्रिंग रुपीस 6,000. डी इज टू ब्रिंग रुपीस 6,000 एज गुडविल. तो डी को 6,000 रुपये गुडविल आ रहा है एंड सफिशिएंट कैपिटल फॉर 2/5 शेयर एंड सफिशिएंट कैपिटल फॉर 2/5 शेयर. नाउ हियर इसको सॉरी sufficient capital for 2/5 share. Now it's not mentioned here from where he is getting 2/5 share. It means whatever the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio for 2/5 share. Okay, next part is F part. Last part is the partner decide to use decided to use 10% of the profit. 10% of the profit The partner decided to use 10% of profit every year Now this is a value added. Okay, इसमें क्वेश्चन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है इसका, बट इट्स अ वैल्यू एडेड पार्ट. कई बार क्वेश्चन में पूछा जाता है वैल्यू एडेड क्वेश्चंस हियर, व्हाट द फर्म थिंक्स अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो मींस द फर्म इज थिंकिंग अबाउट द ह्यूमैनिटी. ओके, the profit of the firm, the partner decided to use 10% profit every year in providing drinking water in schools. In providing drinking water in schools. In schools. Okay. So this is a question. You need to prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm. So this is the last part is given in the question. The partner decided to use 10% of the profit every year in providing drinking water in school. So this is a part of value added, because the profit का 10% part business कहाँ use करेगा? जैसे providing water facility in different schools. Okay, but these are the value added part. Question में इसका कोई लेन देन नहीं है. Okay, when we prepare the balance sheet, हमें ध्यान रखना है कि हम प्रॉफिट का 10% पार्ट क्रिएट करेंगे, लेकिन हमें इस बैलेंस शीट में कोई नहीं करना है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग अबाउट how the firm thinking about the society. So they are providing the 10% profit in providing drinking water. So this is an important part, means the social benefit is there. The partners, the firm is concerned about the schools, okay, to serve for the society. This is a part of value added. Here, I hope this question is clear to all of you. Okay, now first we need to prepare the working notes. We need to prepare the working note first to start making the working note. First thing is calculation of sacrificing ratio. I told you nothing is mentioned how the new partner get 2/5 share. So whatever the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. It means working note 1, sacrificing ratio is same like 2, 3, 5. Whatever the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. Now D brings 6,000 goodwill. D, this is a working note 2, how we distribute the goodwill. So D brings rupees 6,000 as goodwill. Now divide the goodwill in the sacrificing partner. Okay, the sacrificing partner is 2, 3, 5. So if we check, A will get 1,200, B will get, if we check in this divide in the sacrifice ratio, is 1,800, and C will get 3,000 in the ratio of 2:3:5. Yes, sacrifice ratio 2/10, 3/10, 5/10. That's how we make the working notes. So here the working note part is very easy. I hope it's clear. Why the sacrifice ratio is 2:3:5 when the nothing is mentioned about how the new partner get his share from where he get the share. So whatever the old ratio is equal to the sacrificing ratio. Is it clear now? Now we move further to make revaluation account now. Now prepare revaluation account first. Check the transaction one by one so that it becomes easier for you. You make revaluation account. Credit side, as well as debit side, we write particular amount, particular amount in rupees, we write amount in rupees. Okay, the first thing is to say that machinery is to be depreciated by 15%. तो machinery हमारी value कम हो रही है, तो we write to machinery account. To machinery, the machinery is depreciated by 15%. The old value of machinery is 94,000. तो 15% depreciation of 94,000 is coming 14,100. तो हमारी जो मशीनरी है वो 14,100 कम हो रही है. We write to machinery 14,100. Okay, the first thing is clear. Next thing is stock is to be revalued at 48,000. तो stock पहले 44 का था, 48 का हो गया, so stock is increasing. तो by stock account 4,000, हमारा stock 4,000 का बढ़ रहा है. This part is clear. Next part is, it is found that, stock is to be, हमने कर लिया. It is found that creditor included sum of 12,000 which was not to be paid. हमें creditors को 12,000 rupees कम पे करना है. It's an income for the firm. So we write by creditors 12,000 is an income for the firm because अब हमें creditors को 12,000 rupees पे नहीं करना है. Okay. Next part is adjustment number D. Outstanding रेंट इज रुपीज 1900. एक नई लाइबिलिटी क्रिएट होगी है, हमें रेंट पे करना था, हमने पे नहीं किया. द आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंटर्स, तो वी राइट टू आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट रुपीज 1900. देयर आर नो अदर ट्रांजैक्शंस हियर to check. I think there's no profit, no loss. If we calculate this thing is coming 16,000. Here is also 16,000. It means there is no profit, no loss. ना फर्म को कोई प्रॉफिट हो रहा है ना कोई लॉस हो रहा है. तो रिवॉल्यूशन का बैलेंस इज ऑल सेम. आई होप द रिवॉल्यूशन इज क्लियर. ओके. मशीनरी डेप्रिशिएट हो रही थी 15% विच इज कमिंग 14,100. स्टॉक हमारा 4,000 बढ़ रहा है. क्रेडिटर्स हमें 12,000 अब पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. इट्स इनकम फॉर द फर्म. अ न्यू लायबिलिटी इज क्रिएटेड. हमें आउटस्टैंडिंग रेंट पे करना था जो हमने पे नहीं किया विच इज 1,900. तो यह द टोटल ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन अकाउंट सेम 16,000. Next, we make the partners capital account. Next is partners capital account. So there are 4 partners: A, B, C, and D. So first thing we write particulars. Particulars, the debit side. A, B, C, and D. Similarly here particulars, capital of A, capital of B, capital of C, and D. Correct side, here is particulars. Okay, now, so they are partners capital account we are preparing. So we need to understand how we prepare them. The capital adjustment part is also there in the question. So know the step first, then become easier for us. Now first, what is the opening balances given the question? The first thing we write here, by balance brought down the capital of A, B, C, and D, which is A, B, and C. All partners capital is given the question. 36,000, 44,000, and 52,000. So we write the first thing opening balances. 36,000, 44,000, and the C capital is given the question is 52,000. Okay, we write 52,000 in C's capital account. Now there's no revaluation profit and losses. Okay, then we write the premium for goodwill. By premium for goodwill account. Goodwill account. तो प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग दिया सेग्रीफाई रेशियो हमने पहले फाइंड करके रखा है. इट्स कमिंग 1200, 1800, 3000. 1200, 1800, and 3000. Okay, it's 1200, 1800, and 3000. I hope it's clear. Next thing is general reserve, which is mentioned in the question, which need to be distributed in the old ratio. We write general reserve, GR for general reserve. Now one request, you have to write fully by general reserve. The general reserve given the question is 14,000. Divide 14,000 in the old ratio, which is 235. Is coming, if you're 2,800, 4,200, 2,800, 4,200, and 6,000. Oh, sorry, 7,000. When we divide general reserve, it's coming 2,800, 4,200, 7,000. Now goodwill append the old balance sheet. अगर हम चेक करें goodwill balance sheet में given है. How much goodwill is given in the balance sheet? We need to write off. So we write to goodwill, which is append the old balance sheet. This is given the old balance sheet. So we need to write off the goodwill is given the old balance sheet 20,000. If you write down the old ratio is coming 4,000, 6,000 and 10,000. Now by bank, how much a new partner brings his capital in cash is not mentioned here. So we need to find out. हमें निकालना पड़ेगा. That's what we call capital adjustment. Okay. Now add the total of A, B, C and D. So A's capital is coming. If you add them, 36,000 plus 1,200 plus 2,800 is coming 40,000 for X. If you add 44,000 plus 1,800 plus 4,200 is coming 50,000 for Y. In the same way, if you add SC is coming 62,000. Now here we write to balance CD because we had to adjust the capital on the basis of old partner. So A capital is coming here is 40,000. There is 50,000 and 62,000 here. Okay. Now the balance is coming 36,000 for A, 44,000 for B. I hope this part is clear. And 52,000 for C. Now this part is clear to all of you. I hope you can able to. This is 36,000. This one is 44,000. This one is 52,000. Okay. Now next thing is we need to find the capital adjustment. This is a point number F. Point number D. D is to being 6,000 goodwill and the sufficient capital for 2/5 share. Now for sufficient capital for 2/5 share. You know that the capital of, if you take, this is a working note, you may after the adjusted capital, let the capital of A plus B plus C plus D is 1. Okay, now what's the D share in that? D share is, find out D share. D share is giving 2/5. Okay, so 1 minus 2/5. We get the share of A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C, which is coming, the share of A plus B plus C is coming 3/5. I told you what is the reciprocal of the old partner share. आप reciprocal कर दिए old partner का. Okay, the whole firm capital is, firm capital is 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000. Now add them. Okay. और उसका हम क्या करते हैं? If you reciprocal of this share into 5/3, इसका reciprocal करते हैं, तो we get the whole firm capital. हमें पूरी firm की capital मिल जाएगी. Is it clear? Now we get the whole firm capital. If we add them, okay, we get the whole firm capital. So 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000. Find out what is the capital of the whole firm. That's coming, if you check, 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000 is coming 1,32,000. So in multiply by 5 divided by 3. Okay. ये points में आएगा, इससे better क्या है? Now what is the new partner share in that? If you say the new partner share, इसमें new partner share क्या है? 2/5. If you take 2/5 of this, the 5 will cut. Okay, so then we get 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000, 132 multiply by 2 divided by 3. Now check how much is coming. 37 plus 44,000. Okay, find out. If you take, add them. Okay, we take 5/3 of reciprocal कर दिया हमने. Okay, 5/3. तो firm capital is 37 plus 44,000 plus 50,000 into 5/3. So it's coming. If you add them, multiply by 5, it's coming 2,20,000. Now D share in that. D share in 2,20,000 is 2/5. D share is 2,20,000. 2/5. Now check how much is coming. To multiply by is coming 2,20,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 is coming 88,000. The new partner capital is 88,000. So he brings this capital in cash. Okay, the new partner brings this capital in cash. I hope it's clear. That the total capital of firm is A plus B plus C. Total capital कितनी है इनका? इनका share 3/5 है. How we find? Because the total capital of the total share of A plus B plus C plus D is 1. Okay, and out of which D shares 1/5 or 2/5. So what is the share left for A plus B plus C? So 1 minus 2/5, if it's coming 3/5. Now the whole firm, we need to find the total firm capital. The capital of A plus B plus C, which is 3/5, is coming. The capital of 30,000 plus 44,000 plus 40,000 is. If you reciprocal of the share of the old partner, which is 5/3, we get the whole firm capital. हमें total firm की capital मिल गई. This is 2,20,000. And what is the new partner share in that? The new partner share is 88,000. So if we subtract 2,20,000, if we take 2/5 of 2,20,000, it's coming 88,000. So I hope this part is clear. How we find the new partner capital? Is it clear? Now, if you require another query, I will solve once again. Now listen them, and if you know the step, do the step wisely so that you can able to understand it. Because मैंने आपको step लिखा रखे हैं, उन step के हिसाब से follow करिए. और simply if you find it, you know that the share of A plus B plus C plus D is 1. पूरे firm का share 1 है. इसमें D share is, if it is 2/5, तो what is the share left for A plus B plus C? A plus B का share कितना बच गया? It's coming 1 minus 2/5. This is 3/5. Now इन तीनों ही capital हमें given है. The capital of A is 36,000. The capital of B is 44,000. The capital of C is 52,000. Okay. Now reciprocal हमसे करते तो we get the firm capital because पूरी firm का ही 3/5 है. This is a 3/5 of whole firm. It means if we simple say this is the 3/5 of, it's a 3/5 of whole firm. The whole firm capital हमने x मान लिया. We take with a new method. अगर हम firm की capital x मान लें तो 3/5 of x is, if we say x का 3/5 is equal to this है. So what is x? So how can you find x? If you add them 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000, add them, or simple method, if you add 36,000 plus 44,000 plus 52,000 is coming 1,32,000. Okay, it means x का 3/5 is equal to 1,32,000. So how can you find x? If we do the reciprocal, 1,32,000 into 5 divided by 3. That's why we do the reciprocal. कई बच्चों के माइंड में आएगा हम reciprocal करते क्यों हैं? 5/2. Now what is the new partner share in that? New partner share is 2/5. So we get the share of 88,000 for D. इस तरह हमने 88,000 फाइंड किया है. I hope this part is clear now. हमने कैसे निकाला है? Capital of A plus B plus C is 1 minus 2/5 is 3/5. तो मीन्स द कैपिटल ऑफ जो A plus B plus C की जो कैपिटल है वो पूरी फर्म का 3/5 है. तो x का 3/5 132 है. तो what is x? रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ओल्ड पार्टनर शेयर 5/3. और ये पूरी फर्म की कैपिटल मिल गई. उसमें 2/5 क्या है? इट्स अ न्यू पार्टनर शेयर which is coming 88,000. So that's how we find the new partner capital. I hope this thing is clear. So by bank here we write 88,000. So we write 88,000 here, and the balance CD 88,000 for D. This part is clear to all of you. Okay. Now we prepare balance sheet. We are not making cash account separately. We will do the cash account in balance sheet only. The next thing is, note down please. Next thing we prepare the balance sheet part. Okay. Now, shall I rub this? Okay. Balance sheet. Now check the step one by one. What are things which are in the balance sheet account, because every adjustments have double entry. हर adjustment की entry double होती है. We need to be careful in that. So here we write balance sheet. This we are doing question 94 from T.S. Grewal. So please remember this thing. The first thing we write liabilities, amount, assets, amount, amount in rupees, assets, amount in rupees. This one is called liabilities. Okay, the first thing is check the capital. First check the liability part. How much creditors given? The creditors, if you see in the questions mentioned, creditors in the book is given 64,000. Now out of 64,000, हमें अब 12,000 पे नहीं करना है. तो how much is a benefit? हमें अब creditors कितना पे करना है? Is coming 52,000. This part is clear. Now we have to pay creditors 52,000. Next term is given bills payable. Okay. Now bills payable is how much? If you say bills payable given the question, there are no change in bills payable or there is a change. Check the adjustment part or check your evaluation. There is no change in bill payable. So bill payable remains same, which is 22,000. Bill payable will remain same, that is 22,000. Okay, one more liability is here, outstanding rent which you have to pay. So we write outstanding rent. नई liability create हुई थी because हम इसको लिखना भूल गए थे. It's mentioned the adjustment outstanding rent you have to pay. Outstanding rent is amounted to rupees. Adjustment number D 1900. We write 1900 here. Next is capital accounts. Capital accounts of all the partners of A, B, C and D. Now what is the capital of A plus B plus C and D? The A capital is given 36,000. जब हमने balance निकाला था, the capital of A is coming 36. The capital of B is coming 44,000. We write 44,000 B capital. The C capital is 52,000. And the D capital is coming 88,000. ये हमने capital adjust किया था. तो D capital is 88,000. Okay, this I hope no other thing is there on the liability side. Then check with the asset side. First thing is cash balance. What the cash balance is given the question. We write cash. The first thing is if you see the cash balance is given, हमें cash का opening balance given है 18,000. तो इसको अंदर लिखिए because the normally other adjustments are there. The new partner brings 88,000 for his share of capital. He also brings 6,000 for his share of goodwill. तो ये भी cash में add होगा. कोई cash withdraw नहीं हो रहा है. तो cash balance is 18,000. The new partner brings 88,000 as a share of capital and 6,000 as a share of goodwill. तो हमें ये सब cash मिला है. तो we included in cash. Now total it. 88 plus 6, 94,000 plus 18,000 is coming 1,12,000. Okay. Next part is bill receivable. There is no change in bill receivable. So we write bills receivable. The bill receivable is given the question 14,000. So we write 14,000 in bill receivable. There is no change in bill receivable. Bill receivable में कोई change नहीं है. Okay. Next thing is stock. Now stock में change है. Now stock is increased by 4,000. The old value of stock is given the question 44,000. So stock will be 44,000 plus 4,000 because the increase in the value of stock 4,000 is here. The new value of stock is 48,000. In the similar manner, debtors here, there is no change in debtors. So we write debtors which amounted rupees. Debtors हमें given है 42,000. Next, machinery is given. Now machinery is depreciated or appreciated. Machinery is depreciated by 15%, which is 14,100. The old value of machinery is 94,000. And it's mentioned here, हमने revaluation में निकाला है. Machinery is depreciated by 15%. So that 15% is coming 14,100. ये हमने revaluation में निकाल रखा है. The new value of machinery is coming 94,000. Subtract 14,100. If you do the calculations, coming 79,900. Now this how we make the balance sheet. Is there any other transaction there? No unrecorded assets are there. No unrecorded liabilities. We mentioned this thing. Now do the total part. You will do the total of asset side. I will do the liability side. 52,000 plus 22,000 plus 22,000 plus 1,900 plus capital of A 36,000, capital of B 44,000, capital of B 52,000, and capital of D is 88,000. So it's coming 2 lakh. Mine is coming 2,95,900. 2,95,900. Okay. This is coming for liability side 2,95,900. Now if you check asset side, assets given 1,12,000 for cash, 14,000 for bill receivable, stock 48,000, debtors 42,000, machinery value is 79,900. Now if you add them again, it's coming 2 lakh same. So our balance sheet is matching 2,95,900. That's how we solve the capital adjustment question. So I hope it's clear. The question 94 is clear to you. Okay. Again, if you find any difficulty in any question, please do write to me. Okay, I will not only provide the solution, but we will also understand the concept first. Now, the concept is important part. Guys, so you understand this thing? The next topic, we will starting out the retirement. Okay, so before we start the retirement, in case you find any difficulty, please do write to me. Guys, please take care. Have a nice day.